It's Carrie with Brood Leaf Love on Etsy, and this video is going to show you how to edit a downloadable template in a program called Canva. So I'm going to assume that you've already made your purchase and you have it downloaded it to your computer. And just like with any other kind of digital download, you're going to need a PDF reader to be able to use it. It's important that you use a PDF reader because the document that you're going to get down to download when you buy an editable template is going to have links that need to be clickable. So let's say you downloaded your editable template and you're going to open it up, and this is going to be from me. You just want to go ahead and click on open your template, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. So if you have a Canva account already, it's going to look just like this. And if you don't have a Canva account yet, it's going to take you to a screen to sign up for a free account. Canva is always free. It's a great tool. It's really fun if you like to, make graphics and things like that. So if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and fill out the information, and they'll send you a link to open it up again. So now I'm going to assume that you already have your account, and you're going to just go ahead and click on Use Template. And this is going to take you directly to the template that you purchased from my Etsy shop. So with Canva, it's super easy to edit things like text. You can edit the size of the text, the color of the text, and the font. And you can edit text, you can add text, you can delete text. It's all very, very simple. So I'm going to show you just quickly how to do that. When you hover over the template, you're going to see all of the things that are editable when they have that purple outline around them. So all you have to do to edit something is to click on that item. And when you click on it, it's going to show you what font style it is, what the size of the font is, and even what the color is. So once you've clicked on it, let's say we wanted to change this event to, let's say, please join us for Megan's birthday tea party. See how easy that is? And if you wanted to change this because you are a stickler for grammar, you could get rid of that. You can also, if you select it, you can come up here and you can change the color. So if you wanted it to be green, you could make it green. You could change the size. Let's say you want it to be slightly smaller. You can change the size. And then when you click away, it's done. You can change any of this information. So if your tea party is actually on the 17th of June at, let's say, 2 p.m., you can do any of that. Maybe it's at Carrie's house and not Morgan's house. Maybe you don't need to have the address in there, so you can delete that because people know who you are. If you wanted to, say, add an email account, you totally could do that. Carrie at, you could totally add whatever you like here. If you don't particularly love this font, you can choose, another font. You can scroll through the fonts and see what looks good to you. And it's just as easy as all of that. So when you're happy with what you have done, you're going to go up to this section up here that says Share. There's a button at the top. You click on it, and you click Download. And if you're going to use this on your phone, download it as a PNG. It's fine. You click the pages that you want to download. So right now I'm just going to download that one. And then you hit download. And now you have downloaded a PNG file of your edited template. And with this, you can send it out to people on your phone. You can email it to them. You can do what you like. So I hope you have a lot of fun at your event, and I hope you had fun learning a little bit about Canva. Thank you so much for your purchase. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.